Alright, so we're beginning the tour on Brackett Street. About to enter the first house right now. We enter into the living room. It comes furnished with all of the couches and the TV. From here, we've got first hallway closet. And we enter room number 1. Double occupancy is okay. The room comes furnished. I'm going to give you the angle of the other side. And now we move to room number 3. Through the kitchen. This is room number 3. Deeper closet space, bureau. This is room number 3. Finally, room number 4. Room number 4. Room number 4 has 2 closets. This apartment has 2 shared bathrooms. There's a shower and a sink. And the other bathroom right here. This is located on Brackett Street. Let's give you a full view of the kitchen. See, fridge, dishwasher, stove. Nice eating kitchen. And yeah, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.